Aloha and welcome to Upside Down Pilates. My name's Lisa Orrig and with me today I have Mr. Herman. And today we are going to continue on with our chair exercises that we've started on, focusing on doing movements that's going to help balance us from right to left. But first, let's do our anatomy minute. Today's piece of anatomy is the semitendinosus. So this is one of our 3 hamstrings. So let's have a look here on Herman. So the semitendinosus starts all the way up at our sits bone, our ischial tuberosity, glides down the back of our leg towards the inside, and it connects to the front of our leg, our lower leg bone, our tibia, so it goes in front of our knee. I'm going to swing Herman around here so you can see it from the front. Right here, it connects down into the front of our knee. And what our hamstring helps us do is it helps us to bring our leg behind us or extend our hip. It also helps it to bend our knee. And it also makes a little bit of rotation of our lower leg at our knee. So if you're a dancer and you're doing your rond de jambe à la seconde, the hamstring, the semitendinosus, is going to be able to help you with that. And that is today's Anatomy Minute. Okay, I'm going to move Herman out of the way and we're going to get back to our chair. So let me slide Herman off to the side. And we're going to go into heel squeeze on the chair. So I have it set up still with 2 springs on the bottom, or 2 heavy on one, and my pedal is still split. We're going to hop on here just like we were. And we're going to press our pedal down. So remember, you got to find your spot. And we're going to bend our knees, flex our feet, and our knees are going to be turned out about as wide as our shoulders. So not the biggest turnout you've ever done in your life, just about as wide as your shoulders. Keep the belly lifted, keep the shoulder blades wide. Big inhale and exhale. Hover the knees up. 1. So the idea is that you're moving the legs. 2. But you're not moving your body or your arms. 3. Inhale. We're going to do 10. 4. Inhale. 5. Inhale. 6. Keep the shoulders wide. Don't let them start to slide together. 7. Inhale. 8. Inhale. 2 more for fun. 9. Inhale. Last one. 10. Oh, yes. Okay, we're going to slide back, do our stretch, let the shoulders rise, bend the knees, and straighten the knees. Again, bend the knees, and straighten the knees. Okay, now you're in for a real treat. We are going to put our pedal back together. And we're going to do 1 spring on 3 or 1 heavy on top. And we're going to take our heel squeeze and start turning it for our Seahorse. It is quite delicious. So you're going to hop back on and we're going to press our pedal down, bend the knees and flex the feet. Now, you're already going to have your heels lifted a little bit. Keep the head out and away. You're going to press the right heel into the left heel. Open the right hip. You press down with the right hand and you can pull back a little bit with your left hand. And then come back to the center. Press the left heel into the right heel. Press down with your left hand and you can pull with your right hand a little bit. But keep the knees lifted. You don't want to press the leg down. And again, open the right hip and then come back to the center as you inhale. Open the left hip and come back to the center. That was 2. Let's go again. Right hip opens, head stays out and away. Come back center. Left hip opens, come back center. That's 3. 2 more rounds for fun. Right hip opens, and you come back center. Left hip opens, and you come back center. One more time. Right hip opens, and you come back center. Left hip opens, and you come back center. Very nice. All right, let's come off from there. So that's really going to be working those lumbar multifidi, strengthening your lower back muscles against the support of your abdominals to make sure that your sacroiliac joint stays nice and stable. Okay. And there's more. We're going to do some side lying exercises. Now, we're going to keep this pad on. Like I said earlier, we have the little pad on here to help protect the sides of our hips and our pubic bone, which it can be a big help. I still have one spring on 3, and we're just going to come on sideways. Now, this is a tricky one that people have a hard time learning, and even I see a lot of teachers doing it in a way that's not as efficient as they could be doing it. So we're going to try and resolve some of those issues today if possible. This is a preparation to learn how to do it properly. So you're going to press this pedal all the way down, and you're going to be on your side. And you're trying to get your shoulders, your hips, and your legs in one long line. Now you can keep your hand down here to start. Keep the legs squeezing, and you're going to lift from this underneath rib to hover up. So a lot of times people come up and their ribs down, and they try and come up by lifting their head. You can do it, but it doesn't work as well, all right? You want to feel like right here you're pushing down through the pedal with your arm, and then you pull up with your underneath rib, and then go back down. That's our preparation. Go again. 3. Now you can keep your hand here or bring it back down on your side, whichever you like. 2 more. 4. And notice my head is reaching out and away. My head's not trying to upright and bring it to the ceiling. 5. Very good. All right. And a nice stretch after that. You can just bring your leg up onto the chair, the seat, and bring your arm over side. And you can even grab onto your knee and just give yourself a little side stretch here. Well, the good news is we have 2 sides, but the bad news is we have to do the other side, and the other side is my not so strong side. So here we go, kids. Let's see what happens. We're going to hop on over to the other side. Same thing. I call this side bend preparation. You're going to have your hand, it'll be just a little bit in front of your body. You want your tush, your shoulders, and your legs all in one long line. And you're starting by pressing down, and you are pushing into the wood here. Hand can be in the front to help support you. You're trying to squeeze your legs and your buns so your toes are reaching away from your head and your head is reaching away from your toes. Big inhale. Now scoop the shoulder down and hover up. Feel that underneath rib lift you up as your head reaches away, and then lower back down with control. 2. And then lower back down with control. Let's add the arm side. 3. And lower back down with control. 2 more. 4. And lower back down. 1 more. 5. And lower back down. Very good. All right, let's come on up. Bend the knee. Get yourself situated. You can reach the arm you are just using up and over, and then you can grab onto the knee if you like and get a nice little side stretch. All right. Let's take a little breather. Okay, now we're going to move into an exercise that is very challenging for me right now. I did make it up. It's a wonderful preparation for some of the more advanced exercises moving forward. So I call it side bend or side hover with rotation. All right. We're going to leave our spring tension at 1 on 3. Now you can bop this up to 1 on 4 if you need a little more support to hold yourself up, but then it's harder to press yourself down. So play with that on your own if you have a chair. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start and go down into our side hover. So that's the one we just finished. Then we're going to pull up in the hover. I'm going to have you put your hand on your sternum. and you're going to take your sternum and twist down to the ground. As you twist down, the pedal will come up, and then you're going to come back to the center, and then you're going to twist up to the sky and come back to the center. As you do that, you're attempting to keep your hips straight forward the whole time. So let's see how I do. All right, you're going to hop down to the exact position that we were just in, squeezing the legs together, head is out and away, and you're going to come up to the hover, okay? Then we're going to take our hand here. Now, you're going to twist down and look at the pedal. The pedal will come up a little bit, and then you're going to press down and look straight forward. Then you're going to press down and open your chest to the sky, and then come back center. And then we get to do it again. Rotate as you bring the pedal up. Try keep your hips straight forward, and then come back to the center. Rotate chest to the sky. Again, try keep your hips straight forward and back to the center. Let's do one more. Rotate and look down, and come back center. Rotate and look up, and come back center. Woo, we made it. Okay, come back up. You're going to reach your arm up and over, grab your knee and give yourself a little stretch. And now we can go ahead and go on over to the other side. So flip around. Now this is my weaker side, so we're praying, making sure we can do it. All right, you're going to press on down, straighten those legs out, head is out and away, buns are squeezing, hand can be right on your sternum, and you're going to hover up. Now you're going to rotate the chest down, trying to keep the hips as straight forward as you can, and then come back center, and rotate up, and come back center. Again, rotate down, pedal comes up, and come back center, and rotate up, and come back center. One more. Look down, and come back center, and look up, and come back center. And then go ahead and bring yourself on up. Grab your leg, stretch up over side. And let's take a break. All right, let's do some side lying legs. So we're going to start in the same position that we were just in with our side hover. So bring yourself on down, reach that head out and away, and hover up. You can keep your hand here if you want, or bring it side. Chest is nice and open, shoulder is nice and stable. You're going to point, lift the top leg, and flex lower. And 2, flex lower. And 3, flex lower. 4, we're going to go for 10. 5, and lower. 6, and lower. 7, and lower. 8, and lower. And 9, one more, and 10. Now let's circle. So lift the leg, circle. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, reverse. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring them together and go ahead and come on up. Grab onto your knee, do a nice side stretch. And let's come up and go to the other side. So same position. You're going to come up and over, press that pedal down, reach the legs out. You can keep your hand on the chair, or you can bring it to the side, hover up. Here we go. Point lift, and 1. Point lift, and 2. Point lift, and 3. And lift, 4. And lift, 5. And lift, 6. Lift, lower, 7. Point lift, and flex lower, 8. Point lift, flex lower, 9. Point lift, and now let's circle. Lift it up, circle back. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Oh yes, reverse it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze those legs and then come on up. Grab your knee and stretch side. All right, let's move right along, and we're going to do some swans, but we're going to do a port de bras with your arms circling around. So we're going to come back on face down, and we're going to bring the pedal down. I'm still on 1 on 3, and now you're just going to start, and you're going to be right about shoulders distance apart, or your arms right under your shoulders, and then separate the legs about shoulders distance apart or a little bit wider than your hips. We're going to come up for a swan, but we're going to reach one arm forward, circle all the way around towards your hip, and then you're going to bring it back down to one long line. And now the other arm. Circle the arm up, circle all the way around. You can bring it down towards your hip, and then come back to one long line. And again, reach that arm up, circle around to the hip, and bring it down. And circle it up, bring it around to the hip, and bring it down. That's 2. And you can give yourself a nice big inhale and exhale. And a nice big inhale and exhale. 2 more rounds. Nice big inhale and exhale. Nice big inhale and exhale. 1 more, please. Circle, reach through the toes, reach through the head. And 1 long line. Reach up, out, and around, and down. Nice. All right, let's come on up. Shift back. Bend those knees, shrug those shoulders. Straighten those legs. And bend those knees. And straighten those legs. And go ahead, let's come on up and take a little break. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this information interesting and enlightening and you would like some more, please go to the link or QR code on the screen and you can download my ultimate joint pain eliminator starter kit. You'll also be put on my email newsletter. Each week you'll get a workout, a recipe, one of my favorite products, as well as a quote. So if you want to become part of my ohana, go there and I will see you soon. Aloha.